A little bit.
I have.
Okay, why 4 for level of engagement?
For me.
Yeah, for you. De ce?
Yeah,
Păi engagement este de cum
Ai fost prins în...
What's good about the level of engagement? I think that when you know that you're free to take a break or look from the side, maybe it's perfect as it is. You're not forced to do anything. So this is also counts in here.
Yeah, I think that was very important, wasn't it? That if you wanted to suddenly stop and step aside, that was fine.
Yeah.
That's. I think that's.
Also use of music was.
Yeah.
This is a consideration from our expertise in audiovisual. This copyright, like if you're in your own space like this, but if we are making these resources, we will have to use copyright free music.